friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel. In this video we'll solve one more tricky C question. Hope you're excited, so let's get started. The question is related to the comma operator. I have taken two variables int a comma b. So a comma b, a equal to 3 plus 2, so a value will be 5 and next b equal to a. B value would be the previous a value, that is 5, so a value would be 5, b value would be 5 and 12. So will this 12 have any effect here? No, 12 will not have any effect here. And output, if you execute this, output would be 5 and 5, and 12 is completely valid. It will not show any error, but at the same time it will not also have any effect on the code. So if you execute this, output would be 5 and 5. But if you take a parenthesis, a bracket here, if you put in brackets, then what will happen? See, then expression would be evaluation would be take place from left to right, and it will evaluate so on if there may be any number of expression, but the final output of this expression would be the last value. Whenever you take parenthesis, if you don't take parenthesis, then it will consider on the first value. But if you take brackets, then only the last value would be considered as the final output. So here a equal to 3 plus 2, that means a equal to 5 comma, so this is nothing but a equal to 5 comma b equal to a. That means b equal to, what is a here? In the previous case we got a equal to 5 and b equal to 5. Why? Because a value has been already decided it as 5. Here it is not, b is not 5 here. Why? Because the final value, the final expression is considered as the a value. But still at this point of time what we are doing is that we are making b equal to a. We don't know a value at this point of time. That's why b is assigned as garbage value and 12. Now what happens? A value is been decided as 12. So because there is one expression after this 12, before that, so that is the final value of a. Before that expression evaluation only we are making b equal to a, where compiler don't know what is a value. So that's why b value would be a garbage value here. So if you print a, then a value would be 12 here and b value will be garbage value. Okay, and if you observe at the end a has been made to 12. Now after this statement, if you assign b equal to a, then b becomes 12. So before that if you make b equal to a, then it will be a garbage value only, because compiler don't know what is a at this point of time. That is a thumb rule here. That's it friends. Thank you for watching the video. I'm pretty sure that you would have enjoyed this video, so please like it, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to Geeks for Geeks YouTube channel for regular updates like this. Thanks for being with us. Have a great day.